In this video we will talk about Dog Eye Discharge Home Remedy, home remedies for your dog's eye infection. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel to be notified when we upload new videos daily. Number 1. The first thing you can do is clean the dog's eye. Mix half a teaspoon of salt in a glass of boiled and then cooled water. Stir well. Soak some cotton wool in the solution and then wipe away any discharge from around the eye. Discharge can lead to secondary infections around the eye, so it is important to keep the eye clean. Number 2. Tea can also help clear up an infection. Brew some tea, wait for it to cool down, and then apply it to the infected area using a cotton wool swab. Other herbal washes have been found to have a positive effect. These include calendula, chamomile tea, red clover and eyebright. Number 3. Use a warm washcloth to wipe discharge from your dog's eye. You should remove the discharge that accumulates from the fur around your dog's infected eye with a warm washcloth. Number 4. Apple cider vinegar for dogs' eyes. But even though it has natural antibacterial properties, it can be irritating to the eyes and worsen the pain in already sore eyes. Number 5. Flush your dog's eye with saline solution. Saline solution can help to flush your dog's eye and reduce any irritation in the eye. Use an eyedropper to drop solution into her eye 3 to 4 times a day. Number 6. Give your dog prescribed antibiotics. Your vet should prescribe antibiotics to help treat the eye infection. You may be given antibiotics in the form of drops or an ointment, which should be applied to the infected eye 3 to 4 times a day. Number 7. Put your dog in a cone if she tries to scratch or paw at her eye. It's important that you protect your dog's eye from being scratched or rubbed. Number 8. Keep him away from dusty environments. Try not to let your dog in dusty rooms or areas while the infected eye is healing. You should also prevent him from hanging out in dusty environments to prevent the development of an eye infection. Warning: none of the information on our videos is a substitute for a diagnosis and treatment by your health professional.